Hey there, welcome to this video. If you stumbled upon this video, then you're probably seeking a review of RockTomic. Well, in this video, I'll break down how it works, share my thoughts on whether it's a worthwhile investment of your time and money. And one more thing guys, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm going to give you a mind-boggling bonus. Okay, and I bet you're not going to find this kind of bonus anywhere all across the internet. Also, if you enjoy content like this, then don't hesitate to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine. And if you're really interested in my free training on the #1 simplest and fastest way to earn a full-time income from home, then I request you to please visit the second or third link from the description. Enter your email and I'll send it right away to your way. Now let's dive into RockTomic. Essentially, it's a company that aids people in setting up their own white label supplement brand dropshipping store. For those who is unfamiliar what is dropshipping, it involves listing products on a website, and when someone makes a purchase, a supplier handles storage, labeling, packing and shipping. Your role is just to focus on marketing, sales and customer service. That's it. But what sets RockTomic apart is that it's a one-stop shop for dropshippers, offering not only supply but also manufacturing, branding, marketing training, dedicated support and various done-for-you services. The process is very simple. You need to choose a product from their catalog, ranging from health supplements to pet care and clothing. Next is branding, where their designer create a logo and a label based on your preferences. Finally, step 3 involves creating your website to sell the products, either by having them to do it for you or integrating with their fulfillment software if you choose to build it yourself. Okay, you have both the options available here. And when it comes to the membership pricing, they have 3 to 4 different kinds of membership pricing, starting with $997, $2,997 and even more. But as I said, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm going to give you that bonus. And that bonus is right away in the first link from the description. You're going to claim this lifetime membership for just $197. You heard it right. You're going to get the lifetime membership for RockTomic only for my followers, not for everyone, for just $197. Okay, so this is the bonus what I would like to give you. Before we move with the take on RockTomic, let's explore with the dashboard. How does it look like? So let me move with the dashboard now. So you can see this is a brand new dashboard what I'm seeing at present. Earlier there was on old platform, but the process is very executed and very simple. You can see there are all arranged in step-by-step manner. You can find all the catalogs. You can go with the branding bundle, information library, general announcement, reports, shipping, credit and return policies. Everything. There are a few bonuses also. Why? Because I'm a VIP lifetime member, so that's the reason I've got all the perks given by RockTomic. So I request you to move on with $997 membership if in case you like to make RockTomic to build your website. If not, then you can move on with 197 membership. So this dashboard what I'm seeing is pretty much interesting, and I request you to take action if you're really interested to start a supplement business from your end. So now let's talk what's my take on RockTomic. It's a unique concept, especially in the world of dropshipping. Manufacturing their own product, all aggregated by the Better Business Bureau, adds a layer of creditability. However, the pivotal question is whether you want to venture into dropshipping in the first place. It's a little bit expensive business model with costs incurred not just in products but also in various tools and notably in generating traffic. Traffic is a significant expense, and in the world of dropshipping, it's a pay to play game due to slim profit margins. Even with the high quality products from RockTomic, the nature of physical products limits how much you can charge. So if you are on a sustainable budget, then I request you to move on with the $197 membership. It's for beginners. You can get a clear understanding how does this supplement dropshipping would be working. Then after, once you start generating sales, then you can upgrade your plan apart from there. So if you are a beginner, then you can directly give a try and know how supplement dropshipping would be working. So guys, if you are really interested to become a member of RockTomic, then you can please visit the first link from the description and claim that $197 bonus. If not, if you would like to get the lifetime membership of $997 bonus, then you can visit the second link. Both are lifetime memberships though, so you can go and claim any one if you are interested. Now if you are here not necessary for dropshipping but for a genuine way to earn money from home, I get it. 3 years ago I was in the same boat, trying various strategies like blogging, freelancing and more, with little success. Then I discovered affiliate marketing, a beginner friendly business model with high profit margins. So if you want to learn more about building a profitable affiliate marketing business, then click the link below, enter your email and I'll send you my free training. Alright, so visit the second or third link from the description. I hope this review gave you insights on RockTomic. Okay, if you are really interested in exploring a different path, I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Have a great day. Bye bye.